Hi and welcome back. In this section we are going to learn how to use Getresponse forms. So what are forms? Forms are a way for you to collect subscribers on your website. Maybe you're using a WordPress website. You may be using Shopify, Squarespace. So if you're using any platform, you can use Getresponse forms to collect emails on your website. So that's what we're going to learn how to do in the next couple of videos. So let me go into forms and I'll just click on create forms. First of all, let's do an overview of what we have here. You can see there are different options here. We have the list builder wizard. So the wizard is a way for you to just follow step by step in building your forms. And if you look at what we have down here, you'll see that there are a bunch of forms. Some of them are still loading, but there are a bunch of forms that you can choose one and then just follow along with the list builder. And then in the end, you'll be able to take the code and put it on your website. And then we also have the list builder apps. Let's look at this and see what we have here. So the list builder apps, these are certain kinds of forms that you may want to use. And if you just click on use app now, you'll be able to build one and then get the code in the end and put it on your website. And if you want to know more about them, you can just click here and it will take you to a link whereby it will have all of this with their explanations and what they are. But we're going to look at them in detail in a couple of videos. Then we also have the plain HTML. Now the plain HTML, this is when you want to build a form and just copy the code and put it on your website, and you probably want to style it using your own CSS. But in most cases, unless you're a power user and you know HTML and CSS, you won't be using this part. So how this works, we are going to look at it. You can just add elements and you can see it will add something there, and then in the end you'll be able to copy all this code. And then we also have various integrations, and we'll see how you can integrate using various plugins. For example, in WordPress, we'll be able to install a plugin and use it to create forms on our website. That's true for all these others. So the only example we're going to do is for WordPress and Facebook. So that's a quick introduction for forms. So in the next video, we're going to start at the list builder and we're going to see how you can build a form and add it on whichever website that you have. So I will see you in that next video.